Log into the Quant Trader Tools client dashboard using this link you see in the address bar. You would have also received this in your email. Google SSO based login is always faster, but if you purchase the software with a mail ID from an email service provider other than Google, you can enter that email ID in this field and click the Send Sign In Link button. You will receive a sign in link in your inbox, or if not, please check your spam folder and mark that email as not spam so you can continue receiving such emails. Once you have logged into the client dashboard, you can see your user profile details which you have entered at the time of software purchase. In the subscriptions page, you can see the license key and the payment information used for the product subscription that you purchased. By clicking the download software button, you can download the Quant Copier software. Based on the duration of the subscription you purchased, you may see 1 or 2 MT5 account slots in the MT5 accounts card. In the MT5 accounts card, you can add the MT5 account number and server of the MT5 accounts on which you want to use the Quant Copier Telegram software. Please note that we never collect your MT5 account password, and all information in the dashboard is securely stored in a restricted database. After adding your MT5 account, you can check out the user guides page for a Google Doc which basically explains how to get the software up and running, along with a link to a YouTube video of the same. Here I am using the Google Cloud Compute Engine and I have downloaded the setup file for the software in my desktop. Double-click the Quant Copier MT5 Telegram setup.exe file to launch the installation process. Accept the EULA and complete the installation as directed by the installer. For ease of access in a remote VM, it is recommended to install the software in your desktop. When the installation is completed, you will see 3 executable files created in the installation directory. And you can launch the Quant Copier Telegram UI software to begin the process of setting up your config file. The launch Quant Copier Telegram will basically open this Quant Copier Telegram UI file when you click the Finish button. When the Quant Copier Telegram UI is launched for the first time, you will be asked to enter your mobile number associated with your Telegram account. This is the same number you would have used at the time of software purchase. Next, you will be asked to enter a one-time passcode which will be sent to your Telegram app on your phone. And based on the security settings of your Telegram account, you may also be asked to enter a 2-step password if you have enabled it. Next, you will accept the EULA, which was already shown to you during the installation stage. After which, you will be shown a set of 4 onboarding actions to complete the initial setup for operating the software. In the first step, you will be asked to select the MT5 account to use for the software operation. You would have entered your MT5 account details in the client dashboard earlier. And if you have entered 2 MT5 accounts, you have to choose one of those MT5 accounts and then enter its password. Note the password you enter here is only stored in your local hard disk and not in any of our servers. Optionally, you can enter a comment and a magic number which will be used by MetaTrader 5 for each order placement by the trade copier. In the second step, we configure the Telegram channels to be monitored by the trade copier software. The software automatically displays the available Telegram channels by their titles. So you just select the channels you want to be monitored and click Next Step. In the third step, we will create a private Telegram channel to be used by the Telegram bot called Quant Copier Alerts bot to send you alerts and notifications of actions taken by the bot on the MT5 software operating in the remote virtual machine. You will also receive notifications of uneventful software failures or terminations, if any. The bot is just going to have access to this private channel and will not read any other data in your Telegram account. Click Agree after reading this page. In the next page, if you click the Proceed button, you will see the private channel automatically created in your Telegram account and the bot also being added as an administrator. In the last step, we will set up the operational settings for the software. You can read more details about each of these settings by clicking this documentation link, which will open this Google Doc. Read the documentation to understand the settings in detail. And finally, you can click Complete Setup to complete the onboarding process and then go to the home page. In the home page, we see the card showing information of the completed onboarding steps. You can modify the settings by clicking the gear icon on the card itself. The MT5 account card shows the MT5 account details and also its balance as retrieved by the MT5 API. The top right of the UI gives an option to toggle between dark and light mode, and the profile icon shows your license information and access to the client dashboard. You can adjust any of the settings by clicking the gear icon or by using the icons in the sidebar of the home page. We also have the symbol mapper page where you can configure the correct mapping of symbols in your Telegram trading signal to your brokerage market watch. The source symbol column contains the name of the symbol as you receive in your incoming Telegram signal, and the source broker name column shows the equivalent symbol name as seen in your MT5 brokerage watch list or market watch. The symbol mapper already includes some default mappings for some popular assets. You can edit or delete these mappings or add new mappings as per your trading requirements. Please remember to add all the symbols you expect to trade in the symbolmapper.json file so that they are added to your market watch in your MT5. After completing the initial setup, you can see in the software installation directory in your desktop two new files being created, namely symbolmapper.json, which contains in JSON format the key value pairs you specified in the symbol mapper page of the QuantCopier Telegram UI software. We also have the config.ini, which contains all the essential information required to operate the software. You can edit these files directly in a text editor like Notepad or Sublime as shown here, and then directly launch the QuantCopier Telegram.exe file in the future without opening the UI. Finally, in the QuantCopier Telegram UI software, if you click the rocket launch icon, it will launch the QuantCopier Telegram.exe program as a background process in your task manager. The QuantCopier Telegram.exe is the main trade copier software which also automatically launches the metadata files software. If this is the first time you have launched metadata file after installing it, you will notice this algo trading is disabled by the presence of this red stop button next to algo trading in the MT5 menu bar. So go to Tools, Options, Expert Advisor, and then you can check Allow Algorithmic Trading and Allow DLL Imports and then click OK. After this, you can see that the QuantCopier Telegram software connects to metadata file successfully and it loads all the symbols we specified in the symbolmapper.json file in the market watch list. After this, you can safely close the QuantCopier Telegram UI window. This will still keep the main trade copier software, that is the QuantCopier Telegram.exe program, running as a background process in your task manager. So let the trade copier run in the remote server and then exit the RDP connection. Thank you for your attention. I'll see you in the next video.